Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that promises to bring a beautiful touch of nostalgia back into our lives. The 35mm film camera in its charming blue and white design. This isn't just another camera. It's presented as a portable, reusable, and truly multifunctional device designed to capture moments with a unique vintage flair. What immediately stands out about this camera is its commitment to that authentic vintage quality. The product description highlights how the photos taken with it possess a glamour that simply cannot be replicated by digital means. It speaks of a unique graininess and a distinct color gradation that transforms each shot into a genuine work of art. Imagine capturing a sunset, a candid moment with friends, or a scenic landscape, and having it imbued with that timeless, almost dreamlike quality that only film can provide. It's about more than just taking a picture. It's about inscribing unforgettable moments and turning every single frame into a precious, tangible memory. This camera is built with portability in mind, making it an ideal companion for various settings. Whether someone is at home, exploring the great outdoors, or embarking on a travel adventure, its compact size and lightweight nature mean it can easily come along for the ride. The fact that it's reusable is a fantastic bonus, promoting a more sustainable approach to photography compared to single-use alternatives. It also features a built-in flash, which is incredibly handy for those low-light situations, ensuring that even in dimmer environments, those vintage-inspired shots can still be achieved. Equipped with a 28mm f8 lens and a 1/120th shutter speed, this camera is designed for simplicity and consistency, contributing directly to its signature look. It's not about chasing technical perfection or endless settings. It's about embracing the inherent characteristics of film photography. The multifunctional design suggests a versatility that allows users to experiment and capture a wide range of subjects, from portraits to landscapes, all while maintaining that coveted vintage aesthetic. For anyone yearning for a break from the hypersharp, often sterile world of digital photography, this 35mm film camera offers a refreshing alternative. It encourages a more deliberate, thoughtful approach to image making, where each click of the shutter feels more significant. It's about slowing down, appreciating the process, and ultimately, holding a physical memory that carries a story and a unique artistic signature. This camera isn't just a tool, it's an invitation to create art and preserve memories in a truly distinctive way.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.